How's your ash tree? Have you noticed a decline in your tree's health? Ash trees make up over 20% of the Grand Junction tree canopy. Ash trees are more susceptible to pests such as the lilac ash borer and the ash bark beetle. In order to combat these pests, the City of Grand Junction Forestry Department created the Root for Our Trees program. This program launched in the spring of 2022, and with the help of T4 Tree Services, the city is continuing to protect the tree canopy through trunk injections and trunk sprays. You might see trees marked with colored dots at the base of the trunk. These indicate the treatment timeline. A green dot indicates the treatment was completed in 2021. A blue dot indicates that treatment was completed in 2022. A black dot indicates that it's slated for removal. There are also small metal tags, either blue or silver, and those indicate that the tree is on the trunk injection program. Property owners with ash trees that are in too poor condition for treatment can sign up to receive a $100 rebate to plant a new tree as future replacement. There's no requirements for the rebate. This is a great opportunity to protect the existing trees and support the canopy further. To participate in the program or to have your trees evaluated, register online at www.gjcity.org.